Join the best workshops and classes in Paris, where you can learn new skills in photography, art, cooking, and more. Paris Cooking Class with Ferrandi at Galeries Lafayette. Experience a comprehensive culinary journey at Galeries Lafayette in Paris, catering exclusively to individuals of various proficiency levels. Our expert chefs meticulously prepare a diverse array of gourmet dishes throughout the week. During each session, our skilled instructors provide an immersive learning environment, allowing participants to engage actively with the culinary arts under the guidance of seasoned professionals. Select from these engaging course offerings. Butternut risotto. Join us every Friday at 11:30 a.m., where you'll delight in crafting a creamy, aromatic masterpiece inspired by traditional Italian cuisine. Duck, pumpkin and chestnut parmentier. Enjoy hands-on preparation on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Perfect for those eager to explore the rich flavors of French gastronomy through this delightful recipe. Both classes offer an enriching opportunity to elevate your culinary skills, ensuring a memorable experience tailored specifically to your interests and abilities. Paris, French Pastry and Baking Workshop. Enhance your culinary expertise by participating in an engaging and interactive workshop at Bistrot Baguette, where you will master the art of French pastry and bread making. This comprehensive workshop will unveil the secrets behind the delectable French baking techniques, enabling you to create an array of mouth-watering treats. Attend the dedicated bakery area within the store, where you will embark on a hands-on journey to craft an assortment of French pastries and bread, including madeleines, chocolate fondant, chouquettes, cookies, brownies, and apple pies. This immersive experience will not only equip you with new skills, but also allow you to share your newfound expertise with friends and family. The workshop duration typically ranges from 1 to 2 hours, depending on the number of participants. Join us at Bistrot Baguette and elevate your baking prowess as you delve into Trocadero, Eiffel Tower Coloring Workshop for Kids. Join us for a delightful artistic experience at the iconic Eiffel Tower, where we will gather in front of this magnificent landmark. If the weather permits, we will comfortably settle on the Trocadero lawn, providing a breathtaking view of the Eiffel Tower. Equipped with a range of drawing supplies, we will collaboratively capture the essence of this architectural marvel on paper. To add a touch of personalization, I have prepared an assortment of templates, including the Eiffel Tower adorned with whimsical elements such as candy, a vibrant rainbow, and luscious strawberries. For a unique twist, we can even explore a giraffe-shaped rendition of the Eiffel Tower. Together, we will create a one-of-a-kind artwork that encapsulates the charm of your first visit to Paris. As an illustrator, I am available to offer guidance and support. Paris, Blending Workshop in French. Discover the art of winemaking in the enchanting heart of Paris with our exclusive 2-hour guided experience. Under the expert guidance of a sommelier, you'll delve into the world of wine, engage in enjoyable activities, and assume the role of an apprentice winemaker, crafting your very own unique vintage. During the blending lab session, you'll have the opportunity to sample various grape varieties, each with its distinctive characteristics and flavors, serving as the foundation for your personalized wine. Equipped with test tubes, flasks, and pipettes, you'll embark on a journey as an apprentice chemist, meticulously crafting your wine to your desired taste. Upon finalizing your chosen blend, you'll design and create your own wine label, adding a personal touch to your creation. However, before you can take home your masterpiece, you'll be treated to a relaxed tasting. Fragonard Paris Mini Perfume Workshop, only in Spanish. Experience the enchanting world of French art at the prestigious private mansion, a captivating museum dedicated to the preservation and exhibition of ancient fragrance bottles. Step into a bygone era, where you will traverse a timeless space steeped in the grandeur of the Second Empire. This museum serves as a perfumer's laboratory, showcasing the intricate process of perfume making, including the sourcing of raw materials from grass. The museum's exhibits are divided into two captivating sections. The first section showcases a diverse collection of ancient fragrant objects, artistic objects, and exquisite goldsmith creations. From the mesmerizing bottles of the pharaohs to the iconic Fabergé pieces, each artifact offers a unique glimpse into the social and cultural habits of different eras. Following your immersive 20-minute visit, we invite you to delve deeper into the head. Learn basic French while drinking champagne. Welcome to our exclusive French language and phonetics workshop, a captivating blend of linguistic education and indulgence. This immersive experience offers an unparalleled opportunity for individuals seeking to delve deeply into the nuances of the French language, while savoring the exquisite aroma of champagne. Key highlights: French basics mastery. Dive into the foundational elements of the French language, including essential vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, grammatical structures, and practical conversational techniques. Our expert instructors provide engaging lessons and hands-on practice sessions to build a robust linguistic foundation. Phonetic elegance. Elevate your speaking abilities with a concentrated focus on French phonetics. Enjoy fun and informative exercises that aim to improve your pronunciation and fluency, ensuring that you can confidently communicate in French. Cultural immersion. Gain profound insights into French culture through a variety of enriching activities. From understanding historical context to experiencing traditional customs, this workshop prepares you to navigate French-speaking environments with ease and respect. Interactive sessions. Engage actively with fellow participants in dynamic group discussions and interactions. These sessions are designed to reinforce your new language skills in a supportive and stimulating environment, creating a sense of community among students. Join us for a transformative journey where the allure of the French language intertwines with the luxurious charm of champagne. Whether you are a novice eager to master the language or an experienced learner aiming to refine your skills, our workshop guarantees an enlightening and memorable experience filled with joyous discoveries and cherished friendships. Cheers to learning and celebrating in style. 2-hour bread-making class in Paris. Embark on a culinary journey through the heart of Paris, where a hands-on cooking class offers an unparalleled opportunity to learn traditional French baking skills. Participants will delve into the art of crafting a French baguette, under expert guidance, ensuring each element contributes to achieving a perfect crust and interior texture. Experience the meticulous process firsthand by observing seasoned bakers, meticulously shaping croissants according to their unique recipes and techniques. This intimate learning experience underscores the importance of attention to detail in French bread making. From kneading dough to proofing and final shaping, every aspect is carefully monitored to produce an authentic result. Step back into the cozy ambiance of a local family-owned bakery, where the atmosphere is filled with warmth and camaraderie. Here, eager learners can engage in a collaborative effort, sharing tools and insights with experienced bakers who possess decades of expertise. These skilled artisans impart invaluable lessons, passing along family secrets and insider knowledge that ensures participants walk away with both practical skills and a deep appreciation for the craft. Participants will discover the subtle nuances that distinguish French baguettes from other varieties, focusing on achieving the ideal balance between crispness and softness. They will also explore methods for creating variations such as La Paris, a signature product renowned throughout Paris. By mastering these techniques, students will emerge with a comprehensive understanding of French pastry-making principles, capable of replicating these beloved treats at home or within their professional kitchens. This immersive experience promises not only a memorable culinary adventure, but also a profound enrichment of one's gastronomic knowledge, setting the stage for future endeavors in the realm of artisanal bread and pastries.